Start. Did you know that every single year, thousands of students lose their life-changing career opportunity not because they didn't study, but because a server crashes? This is not a rare glitch. During JEE Means 2022, server crashes across multiple centers denied thousands of students a fair attempt. We saw the exact same story repeatedly with massive CUET server lags right here in India. But what surprised me the most is why is nobody talking about this on a global scale? Look at the countries like Egypt or Brazil as they rapidly transit a computer-based test, TBT test. Their remote infrastructure faces a massive crisis, volatile power grids and unstable internet links. The moment thousands of students hit start exam simultaneously, the local node chalks years of hard work whipped out in a split seconds with a single network drop, while everyone else building standard web application that breaks when the internet drops. I wanted to build a bulletproof architecture specially for online CBT mode examination. Imagine a system that can work completely offline, survive an accidental browser refresh, and still guarantee absolutely zero data loss. I can call this system AegisVault. Let's jump straight into the application to see how the background architecture actually works. So let's check it out this. Anyone can build question forms or admin setups. That is standard web development. So we are skipping the basic creation forms to focus entirely on the core architecture that handles catastrophic network failures entering the screen with the credential student 101 routes. It will redirect to the exam sandbox container at the exam with zero network overhead. So we are entered and we are entering the student ID and the other student pins, etc. credentials. To see how the engine handles state management, let's open the browser's developer tool and look at the local storage. Noticing all the moments, we can see that if I will select an answer, so it will be floating in volatilely in RAM. Adjust Vault core engine immediately serialized and commits every single instruction into an encrypted atomic client-side transaction leader on the desk instantly. You can see it. I'm selecting the option and it is saving it in the local storage. You can see it. Now, what we will do is for the ultimate stress, let's kill the network connection completely. The application is now 100% offline. Why we are choosing it to be a offline connection, and look at the exam console. No loading spinner, no timeouts, no interface freeze. Our intercryptal layer automatically flags the disconnect states, halts outside HTTP bonds, and safely queues the payload data locally. So we can see in the console that it is the questions answer we are selecting are saving and it is saved in the buffer. We can check it also it on the local storage. If we are also selecting control plus r, we are hard reloading it, then also it will be saved only, so we don't have to take any stress. We can see in the network tab it is storing only, and if we are owning the our wi-fi or owning our network, so it will be synced into the database and it will be saved at that time with that. We can see it, and in the application network also we can see it easily that our questions answer are also selected and also saved. So let's move further to the things, and the moment the connection heals, our atomic recollection engine triggered in the backgrounds. So let's move to the examiner dashboard. We can see the absolute proof. The student's real-time state and final answer are pulled, populated, and securely saved in the cloud. As I saw, it proves the application is resilience, can overcome violent global inflection. Thank you.